River Kids. It's time to come and craft with me, Sarah P. Today we're gonna make these really cool rainbow blowers. Here's what you'll need to get started. Blue and white craft paint, a paintbrush, a toilet paper tube or paper towel tube, some school glue, a pair of safety scissors, and lastly, a pack of your favorite tissue paper, streamers, or even construction paper if you have it. Our first step is going to be painting our paper towel tube with blue paint. Make sure you cover the whole tube. Our next step is going to be cutting our tissue paper or our streamers. For this project, I have tissue paper. I'm going to use 4 of my favorite colors, but you can use as many colors as you like. We're gonna make our strips of paper about half an inch wide and about 4 inches long. Now that our paper towel tube is done drying, we're going to paint on white fluffy clouds. You only need to take your paintbrush and dab, 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 and make your cloud shapes. All right, our final step is going to be gluing our strips of paper to the inside of our paper towel tube. I like to use a paintbrush when I apply my glue. You apply your glue any way that you are comfortable with. I'm going to stick them to the inside of the tube. When applying our strips, we can overlap. It is okay to do that. This is what our rainbow blowers look like when they're complete. I hope that you bring yours with you on Friday morning when we have dance class with Miss Carrie on YouTube at 10 a.m. We'll see you there. Thanks for crafting with me, River Kids.